You hear these terms all the time in the news, but what actually separates the private sector from the public sector? Let's compare how these two massive parts of our economy function and where they get their funding. The private sector is driven by profit and competition, while the public sector is funded by taxpayers to provide essential services for everyone. In most developed economies, the vast majority of jobs exist within the private sector, ranging from small local shops to global corporations. Private businesses thrive when they innovate and keep costs low, giving you more choices as a consumer. The public sector steps in where profit motives fail, providing essential infrastructure and safety nets that benefit the entire society. Millions of people work in the public sector, from local school teachers to federal employees managing administration. Think of it as a balance. The private sector builds the engine and the public sector builds the road. Understanding these sectors helps you see how the economy functions every day. Subscribe for more money basics.